Hey y'all, how you doing? Well, I just wanted to show you a little of the seat deal we're doing here. The crack is over here. It's busted right through the flange. This seat was actually form fitted. We laid in a plywood form and put two-part foam in and foamed the seat up around us. I wanted to show you this because I haven't done this to anybody else's seat, of course, because this one's mine. But what we're doing is we're peeling off the cover now. And show you, a lot of people don't like these fiberglass seats. They say there's no padding. I put padding in my seat. There's actually a relief in the actual, I cut into the foam, the two-part foam, the thickness of this padding, because you get that bit in your neck and spine or whatever. He said so it's nice and soft, and it's built right into the seat. So that's an added touch. It's an RPM exclusive right there. But that's it. I'm gonna peel it off. Gonna grind both sides of the crack out real good. Just patch it up on the inside, fill it on the outside, and then we'll go up to the fabric store and we'll find some more stuff. Maybe we'll find, I don't know, maybe we'll find some Mickey Mouse or something. I don't know. We'll find out. We'll figure it out later on. It doesn't really matter. We just need to get it covered. That's it. I think what I'm going to do is same thing with this. I'm going to peel all this off, and I think maybe we'll just go ahead and body work it because it was raw glass on the side, and maybe prime it and paint it, or something. I don't know. We'll figure that out too. But, that's it for now. Waiting on some tires, some rear tires to come. We got our pump. Our pump is here. We'll show you all that stuff in the next one. But this is what we're doing today. Beautiful day out here. The Lord has blessed us. Godspeed, y'all. Praying for you.